my channel. Today, I've got a super special guest with me, my English teacher, Teacher Jay.
Hi, Berg.
Hi, Teacher Jay.
Thank you for having me on your channel today.
Me too. Teacher Jay,
Yeah.
I will show you what I learned in winter camp.
Really? Okay, let's see.
Teacher Jay, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Do you need a tissue?
I think I do. You have a tissue?
No, but I can get one tissue from this empty tube.
Really? But it's empty.
Count to 3 and I can get one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Berg, you took a napkin out of an empty tube. How did you do it?
Because I'm a magician.
How about?
We teach them how to make this magic too.
That's a great idea. Let's teach them. Let's get started.
Well, before we start it, we need to prepare this material.
So, for our first step, we take a sheet of paper and we roll it into a cone.
So you need a tape, right?
That's right, Berg. You can help me. Now we have our first part of our magic tube. Next, we take the second sheet of paper and we roll it into a tube, like this. And then we have our two part. Now, this part is easy. You just put the cone inside, 2, 1. Our magic tube is almost finished. Lastly, we're going to take some glue.
Now we have the magic tube. We need to put tissue into the magic space.
And it's gone. So now we can ask, do you need a tissue? See, that's easy, right?
See, our courses was so fun and excited.
That's right, Berg. You guys learned so fast and made so many wonderful memories.
Yeah, magic is so amazing.
That's right, especially for winter camp.
But I would like to know, what will we do in summer camp?
Oh, for summer camp, you say? Well, this year, our summer camp theme is Little
Doctors.
Doctors. Of course, we're going to do some fun experiments.
Wow, I can't wait to join this summer camp.
That's right, you're welcome to join, and everyone is welcome to join.
For more information, don't forget to subscribe our channel
And like our videos.
Also, leave your comment below.
It's time to say goodbye. See you next time. Bye-bye.